There are two types of hardship license in Missouri. One is called a restricted driving privilege and the other is called a limited driving privilege, and each of them allow you to do different things. A restricted driving privilege is issued to a driver through the Department of Revenue. That restricted driving privilege will allow the driver to go to and from work and to and from a SATOP class that will be needed for them to reinstate their driving privilege. A limited driving privilege is more broad than a restricted driving privilege. It will allow the driver to do things such as go to and from work, to and from a daycare, to doctor's appointments, to the grocery store. So limited driving privilege will be much more broad than a restricted driving privilege. The length of time that a driver will have to have a hardship license depends on whether or not they are under a suspension or a revocation. Most suspensions are for 90 days and revocations are for 1 year. If a driver has a hardship license and they do not meet all of the requirements determined by the Director of Revenue, such as SR22 insurance, SATOP completion, and/or an interlock in certain circumstances, their restricted or limited driving privilege could be terminated. I've been dealing with hardship license issues since 2005. A lot of times there are other lawyers that will call our law firm due to the complicated nature of hardship license issues. Our office frequently helps people get their license back after either a suspension or a revocation. This is one of the services that our law firm provides to our clients. One of our secretaries, Jill, is very good and very well versed in helping our clients do everything that they need to do to reinstate. Our firm is also able to help a driver get a limited driving privilege if they are under a 5 or a 10-year denial. One of the other ways we help people get their license back is if they're on a 5 or a 10-year denial, they also have to sue the Director of Revenue and have a judge order the Director of Revenue to return their driving privilege. This is something that we frequently help clients do. One of the final ways that we help people with license issues is if they are on a 5 or a 10-year denial and they are either a graduate or a current participant in a treatment court program, we can help them get a limited driving privilege through that treatment court. We're a small law firm. We have 2 attorneys and 2 secretaries, and the main benefit of hiring a small law firm is we are the only people you're going to deal with. We don't have associates that we give the work to. So if you have questions about your case, you can call us, and we are going to be the ones that answer them.